Hello, my name is Pavlo, and today we'll be having a look at the new 2025 Lexus IS 300. Just a quick walk around, show you guys some features, have a look at the car, see how it drives, and just a quick look at the 2025 model. Let's go outside. This one is in gorgeous ultra white Lexus color, and as you could see, it is on F Sport white interior. 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine. This one is the V6, 260 horsepower. I love the new look of the Lexus IS. Lexus just has such good details with the car, especially these headlights that go all across the hood over there. F Sport wheels. I'm not sure how well you can see those. Maybe I'll show on the other side as well. F Sport badges, obviously. Black mirrors, which I really like with this white color. Love how they add a little spoiler as well. This just gives a very aggressive look to the car. Obviously all of them are all-wheel drive. Let's have a look at the trunk. It's quite spacious. I would say you could fit 3 tires in here. Looks pretty good. One of the most reliable luxury sedans on the market, if not the most reliable one. Looks gorgeous. Let's sit at the back. So I am 6'1", so on the taller side. There's still quite a bit of legroom in here. Very comfy. This seat kind of dips down a little bit, so it hugs you on the side. Super comfortable. And this gorgeous interior as well. Lexus haven't changed the interior on their IS for quite some time now. I believe almost a decade. I like how they stick with it, honestly. It looks amazing. If it works, it works. So on the door here, you have some memory seating position, which is super useful. Obviously powered seats, and it has lumbar support as well. Very comfortable seating position in this IS. You get heated and ventilated seats. That is something that comes standard with all of the Lexus. Obviously heated steering wheel. This touchpad, which works really well. It's actually intuitive, so it's not like the laptop. It kind of guesses where you want it to click, but it works super well. Couple driving modes, so you have Eco, Normal, and Sport. It actually changes your cluster here, so you can see it changes if you put it in Sport or if you put it to Normal mode. Very nice interior. Has a sunroof. Let's take it for a quick drive, see how it feels. Very smooth Lexus drive, especially combined with the all-wheel drive system. Takes about 11-12 liters of gas per 100 kilometers in the city, and then I believe it's 9 on the highway, which is honestly not a bad mileage for the 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's not turbocharged, so it's naturally aspirated. Handles really well. It's not the fastest sedan, obviously, but what Lexus is going for is reliability, right? For someone that's looking to buy one of these vehicles, they'd be looking to keep it for a longer time. It doesn't, thing about Lexus, it doesn't go down in price, so it would be almost like an investment, as if you were to buy, let's say, a BMW or a Mercedes. Well, they go down in price at least half in the first 3-4 years, while Lexus actually stays in price really good, especially if there's no new models. You could sell your used Lexus if it's like 1 year old for pretty much the same money as you paid for new. Big thanks to Lexus of Edmonton for letting me show this vehicle. Let me know how you like it. Let me know which you think is another very reliable sedan, and if there's any better than this one. Subscribe to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys would like to see more, especially of Lexus product, and I'll be happy to show it to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.